Good morning. A drier day today in eastern areas, but further west there will be further showers. We have low pressure dominating the weather scene, and that will continue through much of the weekend. This particularly lively low brought all the wet weather on this weather front yesterday. It's still bringing some soggy conditions to Shetland. That'll linger for most of the day. Gusty winds here and also for Orkney. Elsewhere around the low pressure, we're just spiralling in the showers. So the closer you are to the low, the more frequent the showers are. A wet one for Northern Ireland. There'll be frequent showers for North Wales, North West England, much of central and southern Scotland. But the further away you are from the low, the better chance of a drier day. Parts of southern England, the East Midlands, East Anglia may well stay dry and bright. It's a bit misty and murky to start the day, but it should cheer up through the morning. The brisk breeze helping to clear the cloud away. That brisk breeze will make it feel a little cooler perhaps than the temperatures suggest, and particularly if you're stuck under the frequent showers over Northern Ireland, Northwest England and southern Scotland, where the downpours could be pretty heavy, even the odd rumble of thunder. But in the south, where skies do brighten, we could easily get to 11 or maybe 12 Celsius. As we go through this evening, I think we'll see more wet weather coming in around the low as the low itself edges in across Northern Ireland, southern Scotland. Some heavy bursts of rain here and for northwest England. A lot of spray and surface water on the roads. That clears away, but look at this. Another bank of rain comes marching up from the southwest. And again, some heavy bursts mixed in with that, those brighter colours. And the winds will pick up once more too. With this next area of wet and windy weather, well, it will be a mild night, but with some clearer skies across northern Scotland. As the winds ease here for a time, we could see some pockets of frost, but the winds won't stay light for long. Another gusty, blustery day on Saturday. A wet start for a good part of England, Wales and Northern Ireland. The rain will steadily creep into southern Scotland during the morning and then linger somewhere through the central belt, southern Scotland, Northern Ireland, northern England through the day. So again, quite a wet day here. To the north of that, we've got a few showers, particularly to the northeast. Something a bit drier to the northwest. And of course, much of the south. Yes, a wet start to Saturday, but Saturday afternoon cheering up quite nicely. Some decent spells of sunshine. Just a few scattered showers coming into the southwest. And again, those showers zipping along on a fairly gusty wind. Some of the liveliest winds on Saturday likely in and around Irish Sea coast and across Northern Ireland. Those winds, again, just making it feel a little cooler than these numbers would suggest. But generally, it is turning milder. We could easily get into the teens across the south with a bit of sunshine on Saturday, but feeling rather cooler than that with that persistent rain and the gusty winds over central southern Scotland and parts of Northern Ireland. One area of low pressure clears away on Saturday nights, but then eyes down to the southwest, another low. And this one looking like it could pack a bit of a punch, depending on where it sits. Some of the computer models have it further north, some have it further south. That is one to watch for Sunday, but potentially another spell of wet and windy weather. For more on that, you can watch our full weekend forecast on YouTube.